Hello everybody, this is our presentation which have the title Evaluation of Post-Occupancy of Petokokan Rural Village in Jakarta. In this research we using a product quality method to analyze the finding of the research. This paper is our scientific activity. We consist of my colleagues Dimas Hasta Manugraha and Citra Widyasani Surya Putri. Jakarta is one of 100 resilient cities network in the world. Have a government commitment. That is one of his program is to empowerment the kampung, which one of the program is to arrange the kampung to make it better living and better place. And this one of its program is in Petokokan, South Jakarta. Then this program is when Mr. Joko Widodo have government in Jakarta special region. Generally, main issue of building is the building does not work properly for its user. This is Lehman statement in 2005. And there are three significant aspects in building. That is function, energy and economic. This aspect of building in kampung especially. POE is a systematic evaluation concerning argument opinion of the use of building from the building itself. As POE is post-occupation evaluation and is can use to explain the condition of building occupation. There is several studies that to look the condition of the building based on post-occupation evaluation. It is 4 of them is Ilham in 2008, observe initial occupancy stage, condition and post-occupancy in Mojosongo residential in Solo, Indonesia. Irawan have research in Jakarta for flats apartment. Sodok have emerging socio-technical perspective aspect at research as the fostered area. And Cole have emerges more wide idea of convenience in which they're in content psychological and socio-culture definition as well as convenient psychological dimension. And then from the introduction, background and previous studies, we have a problem question is how the evaluation result of post-occupancy in Petokokan Rural Village is reviewed from product quality. This is the methodology of the research. We make a planning by formulating the research instrument. Then we have data collecting with observation, interview, and focus group discussion. Then data collected, and then analyzed with descriptive analysis, which called product quality based on Garvin theory in 1987. From the data in Petokokan Jakarta, we have a functional aspect, and it is performance value. From the data, we have many information. That is, one of them is portable fire extinguisher, and it enough. From then education facilities is good, in good condition, general facilities in good condition. Then electricity in good condition, water closet and bedroom, wastewater facilities, public health facilities in good condition. Playground, settlement unit, assembly point, parking area is enough, or then in the field areas, field study area, several facilities that cannot perform better in good performance is such as commercial facilities, kitchen, sport facilities, clothesline, mosque, cash network, and assembly hall. There is many finding in Petokokan. From the observed facility, 3 facilities have highest satisfaction level: is fire extinguisher, education facility, facility maintenance, and public object. 4 facilities that have lowest satisfaction are hall, cash network, mosque, and clothesline. From housing modification need, respondents state that special change is more needed compared to change the building and the structure. From area service, accessibility, flat location, and distance from activity center is very dominant in providing life satisfaction for the rural village resident. Overall, the Petokokan rural village resident assessed that of performance side functional aspect was assessed as proper or sufficient. This is the finding for rearrangement, from room rearrangement, internal rearrangement, and structural rearrangement. We can see the graphic show us that structure rearrangement is unnecessary because it built with technology, structural technology, that we call it RISA, Rumah Instan Sederhana Sehat. And from the finding, we see that room arrangement is necessary. So we can see why it's up from the answer of the respondent in Petokokan. From the reliability aspect, most respondents argued that harmony of Petokokan is quite well. So we can see that people can live happily with his or her neighbor. The good of harmony value established by the resident is also affecting residents' tolerance among residents from different religion or tribe side. Standard guidance regarding dispute among residents of Petokokan village is not available. That is such written norm or is minimum. We call it minimum. Almost no resident has ambition to control other or placing certain position because it's very egalitarian condition of the harmony in Petokokan. There is quite strong social cohesion in Petokokan Jakarta. Social reliability, related harmony, tolerance, and problem solving is generally good. Dispute in a family and between families took place in small escalation and can be solved in small number of overall level. This is interesting because we find it in Jakarta when we see a lot of what we call it, many events that occur there that not in good news, but it sometimes we see the conflict between one and another in big cities like Jakarta. Social jealousy level is at medium level. Several cases encounter their jealous regarding neighbor belonging on certain object, such as a holiday. Desire to get social position in community is relatively a low level. From aesthetic aspect, in likes in maintenance and creating housing aesthetic condition, overall there is no complaint related to building aesthetic. There were several dissatisfaction related to occupied building aesthetic. From durability aspect, living in rural village is at present given them convenient if compared to prior or condition before the rural village was built. There was an argument saying that next 5 to 10 years they want to move to another place, even though at present they still don't have any plan where to reside. It is 10 years ago I've researched this research, so actually that's interesting. If I go back to the Petokokan and have another research to compare with the condition today. Governance, which is rural village program, can be assessed as successful because many Petokokan rural village residents still want to live in a long period, at least 20 more years of their lifetime. 70% respondents agreed that rural village location is strategic. 65% agreed that location stability is with activity place is close, considering Petokokan location is close in South Jakarta, next to city center in Jakarta. 97% agreed that the lease provision is very easy and cheap. 50% have answered that dimension of the housing from 8 standard is very lack, so they need to be more larger house. 63% agree that the lighting is enough, and 48% agree that the air circulation in Petokokan village is quite good. Overall, Petokokan village location is strategic and close to a city activity center. However, most respondents are also agreed that the dimension or housing type is small, then they need compared to their need of housing. And lighting and air circulation is sufficient or enough for living in this village or kampung. In comfortability, residents want to improve their economic welfare. One thing they want to do by entrepreneurship activity. From a specific quality aspect, based on research result, 70% Petokokan village residents assess that management service is good. 77% answer the resident union is accommodate, and the percent argue that socialization and marketing has been good considering. The things need to be highlighted from security aspect based on interview with resident. There is a motorcycle thief occur in Petokokan. Issues regarding provision of drinking water is also alleged. Another finding is on perceived quality. Certificate of ownership legality issues become important issues for the rural village. Human settlement infrastructure in bad conditions such as access to sanitation, clean water, roads, drainage is not sufficient. This condition affect people who live in this neighborhood. In region resilient in social, economic, and environmental aspect. For example, social aspect, relationship between citizens become more harmonious after program arrangement. Kampung condition become more safer, no more vehicle safe accident. In environmental aspect, some significant changes could be seen today. In economic aspect, characteristic of small business unit emerge when the kampung is arranged. The activities such as small restaurant, grocery store, laundry, and other business unit. For the conclusion of this paper is, first, from feature dimension obtain results stating no need change of feature on the satisfaction with current row house building model. This is for structural aspect, but in architectural aspect there is note that some household need to be more wider or larger space in their home. Reliability dimension perceived by rural resident is at level in good level. Aesthetic dimension of the row house is state that there is no issues of available building. However, aesthetic issues emerge because the resident behavior itself. In durability dimension, found out that current residents have a plan to stay even more than 20 years. This suggests the success of this aspect. From serviceability aspect, Petokokan from result has been good and able to show easy to product quality. General conformance dimension is been stated with specification required by the customer. From quality received dimension up to result reported that Petokokan rural village has been good. However, research in a long period still need to be conducted. Generally, Petokokan rural village has shown a good quality for housing product, but still need improvement on certain detail and dimension that has been measured by using product quality method. Thank you for today.